Hello and good day. Welcome to this video tutorial. This is going to walk you through how to make a standard drop. We have several types of drop. So before we can make a standard drop, you need to make sure that the clothes you'll be processing or the items you'll be processing has been registered in the back office. You need to watch the quick introduction video to know what I'm talking about. You also need to make sure the services and the prices for all the items you want to make a drop for has already been registered. If you haven't done that, you are advised to do that first. I'm going to log in now. Click on drop. The customer walks in and wants to drop. Now, the next screen you see is select a customer screen, which you have to select the customer. If the customer is not already showing up in this list, you have to click on add. And I'm going to quickly say Sarah, and that's all about that. And the phone number is needed for this. Save that. Now we have it here. You can filter this list. For example, if you definitely have all your customers shown here. So I may want to search for Sarah by typing, and you can see that has been filtered to show Sarah only. So I'm going to select that and click select, and then you come to the drop screen. The drop screen shows you services up here. The clothes item will be shown here if I click on service, and then I can click on each of the clothes to add them to the item to be dropped here. Over here you can use this to filter this list. Here we can attach colors to each of these. This is black. If I click on black, for example, you see black two-piece suit, blazers, let's say blue. And I can also do starch, pattern, fabric. Also, I can select each of these items and then click on what I'm about to add to it to add them to the item. And if you are running a commission system or an affiliate gets you a customer and you want to give a percentage to that affiliate, you select the affiliate or the marketer ID here, which must have been created in the application, and then you can change the ready date. Automatically the system adds 3 days to the start date or to the current date. You can select and choose as you see fit, and then discount and tax, which can be set here. If you set a tax in the settings in the general tab, it will automatically be shown here. And discount, if you want to give a discount to this customer, you can enter it here. So this is about all we can do now. We can then go to pay. Now if this customer is not making a payment now, you can just click on OK. I select the payment method, cash, at least one need to be selected, and click on OK. We're not making any payment, just a drop. But for the sake of this demo, we are going to make payment. So you can see that, and we can now say OK. Now the payment has been made. What comes up next is that if you have set the application to print without preview, automatically it print the receipt. But if not, we have to click on print receipt and then hold on a few seconds for the application to come up with the receipt, and then we can see the receipt information here. All right, of which you can print now and go back to the next drop. Now after closing this, you can also close the screen and it brings you back to the menu. So this is how to make a standard drop. If you have questions, ask us. If you have if you need more detail about these steps, you can just replay the video again. If you don't still understand, you can email us referencing this video, and then we'll respond to your messages. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.